not expanding a single bracket. We're going to take it up a level from last week, but before that, here are some of the ones that we did last time, or the sort of type we did last time. So have a little go at them and just get your brains back into gear. Remember that you take the number on the outside and you multiply it by the term on the inside and the other term. So you multiply both terms, so you should still be seeing a plus there, and so on. Okay, have a go at that. I've got hay fever, so if I sneeze through this, then I am really... Okay, here we go. So we will be taking it up a level here. So what we've got is we've got this term here, we've got this one here. So we'll expand this one out. Then we expand this one out, and then we will bring them together and collect like terms. So that's the way in which we're going to go with that. And so let's have a look at what happens next. So again, sorry about the sneezing. There we go. So we take the 8 times 3y, so that's 24y. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 times 4, 24y. 6 times 4y, I should say 24y. 6 times 1 is 6. Then look at the y's. 24y plus 24y, 48y. 16 plus 6, 22. Okay, and then we leave it as that. Remember, you can't mix terms that have a y in them with terms that have nothing in them. So you can't, apples and oranges, you can't mix them together. Okie dokie. No sneezing? No, fine. Okay, so now we have a big chunk of these for you to have a go at and work your way through them. I'm going to give you a little bit of time, and then I'm going to go through the first 3 of them along here, and we will see how you're doing. So I'll give you a couple of minutes to have a go at that. Remember, you can pause the video while you're doing them and then advance it on then when you're ready. Okay, off you go. So hay fever, what a killer, eh? Beautiful day out here. Absolutely loving the day, and yet I am dying from hay fever, sneezing like anything. My eyes, oh, madness. All right, so let's take this first one. So 5y, 5 times 3 is 15. 2y, 2 times 7, sorry, is 14. And I nearly got that one wrong. And then like terms, 7 and 2y, 5y add 2y is 7y, 15 add 14 is 29. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Right, let's have a little look at this one. 6 times 2 w is 12w. 9 times w is 9w. 6 times 5 is 30. And then 9 times 2 is 18. And then we get the 21 w's by adding the 12w and 9w together. And then we get 48 by adding the 30 and the 18. Okay, so that's those 2. I'll go through some more just as you get going. So I'll again pause the video, and you can then have a go at them, and then there'll be some more word answers on the next slide. Okay, check the answers, and remember to mark them and tick them. Always best to go yes when you get them right, or oh when you get them wrong. Do your corrections as well, because it's good to know where you've gone wrong. Usually it'll be something about the signs you will have got with the directed numbers. You will have either forgotten to add, or you'll have subtracted wrong, or something like that. So just have a little look through and double check where you are, and then when you're ready, we will then look at how we can make it a little bit more complicated again. Okay, and so I've forgot to put the others, G, H, and I. Didn't put those up, so there's the word answers for those. That is supposed to be an I. I should have had a little dot thing there. So there you go. Mark those. Interesting here is the way in which the 4W and the take away 4W of course cancel each other out. We don't put 0W or anything like that. All right then, and off we go. Okay, I have found the highlighter. Woohoo! Look at that! Yay! Oh, that works well. I don't know if that was better than the pen. We'll see. What we've got here is now, instead of a number on the outside, we've got a variable on the outside. So we've got W in this case. So we are going to need to multiply W by W. Remember, that's going to be W squared. And then W by 5. So we'll have a little look at that. I'll go through the worked answer of that one. And then we'll keep on trucking. So have a little look at this. W times W is W squared. W times 5, 5W. We tend to put the number before the letter. W times W, W squared. W times 7, 7W. W squareds go together. W's go together. You can't mix W squareds with W's. It's as if they were X's and Y's or A's and B's. It's as if they were different letters at this stage. And so what we end up with is 2W squared plus 12W. Okay, this one a little bit more complicated because you're multiplying the 2 by the 4 to give you 8, but it's still then G squared. 2 by the 3, 6G. G by the G, G squared. G by the minus 7, 7G. I think I am going to sneeze. Hold on. No, I'm okay. Add the G's. Remember, G squared on its own means that there's a 1 there. There is a 1 there. I am going to sneeze. No, about it. And so also look here, minus 7G, look, minus 7G, add 6G is minus 1G. Don't put the 1 there. Always in maths we tend to drop numbers or letters that or symbols that we don't need, and in this case don't need it there. And then the last one then, we've got a similar thing as happened on the last page, look, n squared, and another n squared there. Oh, I've got it wrong. Oh no, I've got this one wrong. Oh, okay, we need to correct that. So I'm going to leave this in the video because this is just me making a mistake. What should have gone there? What should have gone there? Have a think. I'm now going to write it in. This is going to be hideous. Ooh, so we've got n squared plus n squared is 2n squared. I got caught because I saw, oh, n squared and n squared, oh, they cancel out. And I got carried away. No, it's always these directed numbers, always the signs. Got to keep an eye on it. What a numpty. And here are the worked answers to the rest of them here. And I will leave those there. And just work your way through them. They get a little bit tricky, look. You know, we've got AM here, and we've got minus 3M there and a minus A, so that's plus 3 AM there, so that's 4 AMs. So look out for those. Take your time, have a go at them, check them against mine, and you know, just really pay attention to what is happening with these letters and how you collect them together, which ones you can collect together and which ones you can't. And yep, so just see how you do with those. These are tough. If you manage to do these, then you are doing really good. And the last two worked out for you there. I'll let you have a look at that, and then you can pause it, or you can go on to the end. And this will be the last part of this then. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.